Ito na yung after temp ng naka dual spal brushes fan na clutch fan delete. So yung coldest is 7.8. Ayan. Yan yung coldest, 7.8 after installation. So ito yung dalawang clutch fan. Ito yung dual spal brushes fan after delete ng clutch fan.